follow me. Go ahead, follow me. All she care about is a following. Follow me. Shit, follow me. Go ahead and follow me. All we ever care about is a following.
Hi guys, let's say if you have a Huawei phone, this one is a HUAWEI 9 Prime. If you have one of these guys and it's not turning on, or you have a Huawei p30 or any one of those phones, it's not turning on when you turn on the switch, I'm going to actually show you. Pressing the button there, it's not turning on. But however, what you can do this while holding in the charger, and if that doesn't work either, you can hold down the volume down button and also the power button. They're right here. You hold the buttons together. This is a force start, and you will feel the phone vibrate. Whenever you feel the phone vibrate, you just release all the buttons. Now the phone should start up successfully if there isn't any issue whatsoever. So if your phone is not powering up for whatever reason, try that combination. Try the volume down and the power button. If that doesn't work, depending on the model Huawei phone, you will want to try using all the buttons together or the volume up and the power button. That should take you to recovery mode, and then you can restart your phone. And if you are still encountering problems, you can start your phone into safe mode and you can perform a factory reset from there. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how you can start your phone into safe mode. Now the phone is off, so if your phone is giving you problems, you want to go into the recovery mode, right? Hold the buttons together, the volume up and the power button. You want to hold these buttons until it takes you into the recovery mode. It's actually taking a while. Damn. Right, so we are in the recovery mode here, right? You can see safe mode at the bottom there. But what you want to do, if you are getting problems with your phone booting on, you want to go into the safe mode. Or you can just decide from the get-go to do a factory reset from the start. But just say that you have important stuff on your phone as well. You boot into the safe mode. Then you will see safe mode at the left hand corner, right? You go to settings here, you scroll down to system, and you do a reset from there. Right guys, that's how you can easily rectify those startup problems. And in the meantime, you can take off your pictures and your files from off the phone. If you decided to come out of safe mode, then you restart your phone. Guys, I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. I'm out.